Hello, my lovely kids. How are you? I hope you are fine. Today we will learn domestic and wild animals. So let's start. First we will learn domestic animals. COW, cow. Cow means guy. GOAT, goat. Goat means bakri. SHEEP, sheep. Sheep means bhed. HORSE, horse. Horse means ghoda. DONKEY, donkey means gadha. CAMEL, camel means oot. RABBIT, rabbit means khargosh. OX, ox. Ox means bell. Wild animals. TIGER, tiger. Tiger means bagh. LION, lion. Lion means sher. BEAR, bear. Bear means bhalu. FOX, fox. Fox means lomdi. JACKAL, jackal. Jackal means geedar. LEOPARD, leopard. Leopard means tendua. ELEPHANT, elephant. Elephant means hathi. MONKEY, monkey. Monkey means bandar. SQUIRREL, squirrel. Squirrel means gilhari. DEER, deer. Deer means heron. KANGAROO, kangaroo. Kangaroo means kangaroo. SNAKE, snake. Snake means saap. GIRAFFE, giraffe. Giraffe means giraffe. Thanks for watching.